Hey, what's up legends? Stefan Kunz here with a relaxed stippling tutorial. All you need are the following: a sheet of paper, a pencil, an eraser, and a stippling pen or brush pen. You can optionally use a ruler. Since I'm actually quite lazy, I prefer using a larger brush. This reduces the amount of dots I need to make and can speed up the process and reduce the time by half. So we'll start by sketching out a lettering piece with a pencil. You can either pick up my sketch I used for this or using a previous one or create one from scratch. The sketch doesn't have to be perfect. We will erase it afterwards anyway. Moving on, we'll set the angle of the shadow line. The angle is not as important, but keeping all the lines at the same angle is. I freehanded all, but don't feel bad using a ruler or other tools to help you out. The concept behind this piece is how the cast shadow reveals the lettering, so keep that in mind when you're drawing out these lines. Be sure to take the time to mark all relevant lines. We'll switch to the brush now and start by marking down where the shadow starts, in this case at the bottom and right outline. This is where the shadow is the most dense. Up next, we'll create stippling lines on top of the shadow lines we drew in step 2. Starting really dense, and as we move away, we space every dot further apart. This will serve you as a guide to how dense your stippling should be. It's not about making smaller dots, but fewer and spaced more apart. Now begins the fun. Stippling your hands off. I'm not even joking. This is intense and requires patience. Keep in mind, you can always add more dots but never remove any. Start by spacing them further apart and go over it again, adding dots in between the gaps. Alright, now it's finally time to erase all the sketch lines and clean up the entire piece. Go over wherever is necessary until you're happy with it. So just to give you a short recap, sketch your piece, add the shadow angle, and add the shadow lines. Set the stippling guidelines and fill it out. Erase the pencil marks and add your finishing touches. Can't wait to see what you create. Share it using #DrawWithStefan. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one.